last week. I didn't know what that plant was. Mark said that it's mustard, except for the purple flowers. Those are for the verbena. But then this little guy here, that is a desert primrose. So that's on its way. So excited. Get to have that. Gray came back and was nipping at my feet because I'm not keeping up with the pack. So I gotta get a move on. She loves her family so much. She's such a good dog. Went behind the smoke tree bush. Their center screen is right about where I was walking in the creek earlier this week. So we're at the other end. We're at the beginning of the trail, or the beginning of Coyote Canyon. I'm coming, girl. Come on, let's go. Let's go walking. So Gray's in the lead today. Hey, see if we've got crunchy mud. It's not real crunchy. Mark's is more crunchy. You get crunchy mud. I like that we're seeing all the flowers out here. All the verbena. We had lunch with dear friends yesterday at their home, and their milkweed that was growing was very prolific with the monarch caterpillars munching away. It was pretty cool to see. Look at, honey, here's our first yellow ones. That's the desert sunflower I read the other day. Very pretty. They're so cheerful. Ooh, look at